What are your travel essentials for a long flight? Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey together, a comprehensive guide to packing for long flights. We all know that long-haul flights can sometimes be a bit challenging, but with the right essentials in your carry-on and luggage, you can make your in-flight experience comfortable and enjoyable. So, let's get into what to pack on long flight and the essential carry-on items you absolutely need. Segment 1. Packing Essentials. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of your carry-on, let's not overlook what goes into your checked luggage. These essentials can set the tone for your entire journey. Comfortable clothing. First up, comfortable clothing. Think breathable fabrics, loose-fitting layers, and most importantly, something you'll feel relaxed in for hours. Toiletries. Travel-sized toiletries are a must. Toothpaste, a toothbrush, moisturizer, and maybe even some face wipes. These little comforts can make a big difference as you can take out time on the flight to freshen up. Entertainment. Don't forget your in-flight entertainment. A tablet, e-reader, or even a good old-fashioned book can help the hours fly by. Almost all long-haul flights are operated by aircrafts with a great entertainment system, so nothing much to worry about. Travel pillow and blanket. Invest in a quality neck pillow and a cozy blanket. These can turn your seat into a mini oasis for sleep. You can bring yours that you could be comfortable with, but in most cases, airlines make provision for these items. Segment 2. Carry-on Essentials. What exactly should you pack in your carry-on considering the weight range of 7 to 10 kg? Well, let's dive in. Passport and documents. In fact, you can't afford to forget them behind. Keep your passport, boarding pass, and essential travel documents in a secure and easily accessible pocket. Losing these can be a traveler's worst nightmare. Travel wallet. A travel wallet is a must-have for every passenger or traveler. It keeps your credit cards, identity cards, cash, and all vital information organized and within reach. Electronics. Now let's talk tech. Don't leave home without your phone charger, power bank, and noise-canceling headphones. These gadgets keep you connected and entertained. We all know that long flight can as well come with jet lag, and that can disrupt your travel plan. Knowing how to overcome jet lag as quick as possible is very essential, so click the link above to watch our previous upload on G-lag and how to maximize your travel adventure. Snacks and water bottle. Go shopping for your best snacks and bring along some like nuts or granola bars and a refillable water bottle, because most times the airline meals given aren't the best. Staying hydrated and having snacks on hand can curb in-flight hunger. Travel pillow and eye mask. A travel pillow to support your neck and an eye mask to block out cabin lights can significantly enhance your sleeping experience on the plane. Medications. If you have any essential medications, make sure they are in your carry-on. Along with a basic first aid kit, it's always better to be prepared than taken unaware. Remember, the key to a more pleasant long flight is in the details. Be it a business trip or a dream vacation, packing these essentials can make all the difference in your in-flight experience. What are your must-have travel essentials? Share your tips in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. Wishing you all safe travels and extraordinary adventures. Until the next time, take care and bon voyage.